What's up, YouTube? We are back at it again with another video. Today we got some stuff that we gotta take care of on my personal vehicle. Last week I started filming the actual video of the project. The project is this, what they call this, a knuckle, suspension knuckle. As y'all can see, I put it on this tire last week. I attempted to film the video, but it was so hard to put it on, so I just went on ahead and not filmed it. So I do apologize for not getting y'all that video. So we did the driver's side, and today we are going to do, excuse my driveway. My garage was kind of messy, but today we're going to do the passenger side, because if anybody have any issues with their Chevy Malibu, watch this video because it may help you in many ways. But if anybody got a Chevy Malibu and it's making a clunking noise, like, it's hard to explain, but if you hear something that's clunking, usually it's the suspension knuckle, which is what I showed you guys, and it's this right here. So you're gonna have to take all this off, and boy, I am not prepared for this one. Hopefully I can get through this video, you know, so you guys can see exactly how to do this, and y'all can save you guys a couple bucks, so y'all ain't gotta go out and drop it off at the shop. So we finna get to it, man. But before we do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and continue watching, man. I appreciate y'all, and I do read some of the comments, small, but I do read the comments. I do see people are following my channel. I appreciate y'all a lot, and if it's helping you, get down in the comments and let me know as well, and I appreciate it. But without any further ado, let's get to it. Okay guys, in this situation right here, what you're going to need is these three right here, just right here. Yeah, no, it's not. Well, you need a 13 16. Let me find a 13 16. I know I just used it right here. You're gonna need a 13 16 box end wrench, and you're gonna need a 13 16 socket to go on these bolts right here. So let me take these bolts off so you guys can see exactly how I'm doing this, so you can do it yourself. Let me sit you guys up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't know. And I recently just bought this right here to take this off, thinking that this works. I spent $170 something for the battery, this, and the charger, and it wouldn't even take the tire off. So this is going back to the store. Let's get to it. First thing first, before I do this, I want to put some WD-40 on it. Got some WD-40. Spray on it, just to loosen it up a little bit. Okay. Put this socket on here, and then you loosen it. Now we're gonna use this right here. I can get it on there. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the other jack and take the pressure off of this right here. Okay guys, get everything out the way. Pay a lot of money that I can do it myself. Just need a little pressure. That's all you need. Make sure you put your bolts back on so you can remember where you put it at. Put your bolts back on. We're gonna go to another one right here. Going up, y'all. We're just loosening it up, and then we're gonna put the Okay, make sure you put your bolts back in now. It's gonna be a long video, y'all. I'm gonna edit a little bit, but I don't want y'all to miss nothing that y'all need to learn. And also, you can learn from my mess up. Okay, you guys can see these right here. I'm gonna try to get it the best way I can. It's a bolt right here, and it's a bolt right here. It's two bolts, 1, 2, and it's connected to this right here. It's connected to this bar. So you guys need to take that off. Let me put you on this side so you guys can see. Y'all can't see it. Y'all know what I'm taking off, so y'all bear with me. It took me approximately 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to take them two bolts off, which is these big suckers right here. So they are connected to, let me get up. They're connected to this right here. You can see this little iron right here. I can't tell you what's the name of it, but it's connected to this. And now the only thing you have to do is take this brake assembly off. See what you're gonna do is this bolt right here. Let me make sure I show y'all. This bolt right here and that bolt right there. You can see that bolt. Those two bolts, that one and this one. And it's gonna take this whole assembly off, the brake assembly. You're not taking this off. Don't touch this stuff. Just these two bolts right here. This one and that one. So I'm gonna take this off. It shouldn't take that long with these because they pretty easy. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me take that off and we're gonna move to the next step. Okay, YouTube, we are back. Now, I took the two bolts off, which is these two bolts right here. As y'all can see, it's got the, I think that's a seal lock. That stuff you have to go to AutoZone. I think it's called seal lock. I found out for you. But I think it's stuff you put on there so it'll lock the screw on the unit so it won't come out. So this one got a different color. But anyway, once you get those screws out, you can take this off. It's hard to do it and hold the camera at the same time. You know what, guys? I took the wrong screw off. That's what it was. I took one of the screws off, then take the other one. So, no biggie. No biggie. Two I took off, and one is a different color. It went for the rotor. Now, let's try it. Let's try it now, y'all. Voila. Voila. It is off. Sit that to the side. And now what you're gonna have to do, if y'all can see right here, there's a bolt right here that you gotta take off. I got to find my little socket wrench and take that off so in order for the rotor to come off. I don't got the right tool, y'all, so I'm gonna sit y'all back a little bit so y'all can see. Okay, YouTube, we're back. Let's try this again. Oh, shit. There we go. Let's put a little muscle to it. I gotta take this little bolt out to be able to get your rotor off. This little bolt right here. Voila! The rotor is off. And now the only thing you have to do is bring that down. As you can see, I took the other bolt out. I showed y'all they had two different colors, which is this one. I took this one out. So it's three of them that's connected to the rotor. 1, 2, 3. These two right here, 1, 2 is connected to the brakes. So don't forget, this right here, these 3 is connected to the rotor. These 2 is connected to the brake. Okay, YouTube, we are back. This ground is killing my knees. But anyway, we don't got all the bolts off. This is the whole assembly. Let me take the bolts out of here, which is these. Put these over here. So now, only thing we have left is this bolt right here. So back, and I just put it together. I haven't torqued them down yet. As y'all can see, I put the tread lock on it, on these 3, and I put the bolt back on it. So now the only thing you have to do is just lift this back up on here just like that, just like this, and put those bolts back in there. And once you get the bolts back on this, you put your brakes back right here. So once I get that done, I'm gonna turn the video back on because I'm trying to save battery time. Okay, YouTube family, we are back. As y'all can see, I got the bolts put back in. I just need to torque them down. And I'm just going over everything to make sure everything is on there correctly. Only thing left to put on is the brake assembly. And I forgot what they call this right here, but this one, and right there, this one, them 2. So, okay, YouTube family, we are officially done. I got all the parts back on. Everything, like y'all see, everything is officially back on, tightened up, and ready to rock and roll. So I appreciate all y'all for sticking around for the whole video. If y'all see my face, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And I'm finna put this tie back on, and I'm finna get off here, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm out. Peace.